What's up, ladies? Jumping right into the video, we will be custom coloring a wig. The colors I will be using is paprika and black cherry. I did forget to show you guys the beginning of the hair, what it looks like. I had thought I was recording, but ended up finding out that I wasn't. But you guys get the process. I am going to be doing a reverse ombre look, doing a red root on this custom colored 27 honey blonde wig. It did come this 27 color, and we are just going to add in the red burgundy root to give it like a reverse ombre effect. And I just wanted to show you guys how I achieved that. I did speed this process up just so for the sake of the video, it's not super time consuming, but I just put a thin layer of dye, like I'd say an inch or half an inch before the root, and then just drag that down like so with my brush. And then I also go in with my rat tail comb, just combing the dye through the hair. That's how I get the hair all the way on the root without actually touching the lace, so you don't have to worry about staining the lace. And then I feel like combing the dye through the hair actually helps with blending it out also, so it's a smooth transition from the dark root color to the light color, like I'm trying to do like so. And I'm going to do the entire frontal like this, and then I will show you guys that I will be doing the back half of the wig, just the top portion, just so when I pull my hair back or part it in any sections, it's evenly dyed and it doesn't look like I didn't do the roots all the way through the wig because I don't have time. But I made it look like we did do the whole wig, and that was the goal. So after I get through with this frontal piece, you guys are going to see me do this one last section, and then I'm going to show you guys the back section that I have sectioned off. We're going to add dye to that around the root area, and then like I said, we're going to add dye at the top of the wig, so where you were doing a middle part or a side part, the roots aren't only done in the frontal. It looks like you dyed the whole wig, went throughout the whole wig and added the roots, and that's what the look that we're going for. Once we got that back done, this is all I'm doing to the front. As you guys can see, I'm just going in and doing the top layer of the hair, just so when I do go to part it or anything like that, it looks like we have dyed everything from throughout the whole wig from the roots. And don't be scared to drag it down a little bit because it will fade out once we wash it. But yeah, just make sure you get a nice even coat, and make sure the length that you guys pull down, or however long you did your roots or how much of your colored roots are going to be showing, make sure you're trying to get the same amount in the back so everything looks even and doesn't look crazy like you just, slap some dye on it, because I try my best to make this look as natural as possible without doing a full head job of roots, because that would take forever, and I'm always about being time consuming and not wasting my time. So I figured this would be the easiest way to make it look like I've done roots all the way through the wig and not have done roots all the way through the wig, but still giving the look. And I'm going to let this sit for about 10 to 15 minutes, and then I rinse it out with cool water. I didn't use any shampoo or conditioner after, and then we're going to get into the silk pressing. To silk press the hair, I'm going to be using the Poppy and Ivy hair serum, and I just got this from my local beauty supply store. It is an argan and olive oil hair serum. And then I'm going to be taking my local beauty supply store, silk pressing comb, or you can get this off of Amazon. Just type in silk pressing comb, and then I'm using my Babyliss Pro 1-inch straightener. Now I did go over the hair like maybe 2 times, but y'all, this hair was giving exactly what it needed to give. It did come straight already, but when I went in with this hair serum and went in sections and straightened it, girl, it was giving me, silk press, pin straight hair, bust down, which is what you wanted. As you guys can see, I'm taking like small to medium sections, starting in the bottom and then working my way up to the top until I get the look that I'm going for. And I am going to show you guys what the hair was looking like in slow-mo. Y'all, that serum was the bomb. Again, this is the Poppy and Ivy hair serum in the argan and olive oil. And look how much luster it gave this hair. Look at the shine on the hair. Like, the hair was already straight, but once we hit it with the straightener, with the serum on top, look at all that luster. Look at all that shine. Oh my God, y'all, that hair felt like butter running through my fingers. Like, I loved it so much. It was giving me life, okay? And I was filming a live while I was on live. While I was filming this, y'all, the girls was eating this up on live. They was telling me that this hair was looking like water, baby. And it is. Like, look at that. Look at the body. Look at it. Now, I just want to show you guys what it looks like. Now, we're going to jump right into the install. Of course, I'm going to give you guys an unboxing. This is MegaLook hair. They sent me some cute little natural-looking lashes, a wig cap, of course, an edge control brush, and then I did get, of course, a little bag that the wig came in with 26 inches, and then a silk bag to hang your wig up when you're done. This is the wig. This is what it's looking like. It's MegaLook hair in the color 27, honey blonde. It did come in 26 inches and 210 density, and it is 13x4 lace. I did go ahead and sew in an elastic band, and I'm just going to connect these adjustable straps in the back, and then we're going to get right into the install. I did go ahead and pluck this wig off camera. If you guys want to see an in-depth tutorial on how I pluck my units, just go to my last video on my page. But I just want to show you guys that even if you over pluck a unit or if you have extra hair that you don't need, this is what I do to remove it. I do see some YouTubers use Nair. In my case, I didn't need it because the hair was so fragile that it did come out on its own. I just pulled it out in little small sections like so. And as you guys can see, it removed all the hair that we didn't need, which was fine for me. And once I get this all laid, I'm really loving how it's giving me, y'all. I was feeling like Keisha Cole, KC. I should have cheated because that's what it was giving me. It was giving me life. You want to take your cuticle scissors and just cut off any excess lace you don't need. Since there was a whole bunch of lace down in the front, I cut that off just so I could see better. And then I'm going to go in with my eyebrow razor, and I'm just going to cut the excess lace off. I prefer to use this thin scissors just so it gives it a ununified line, and it's kind of a zigzag natural cut looking rather than a straight line going across. And as you guys can see, the lace is already blending in. We haven't put no makeup or anything on it, and it's already giving me life. Now, once I get ready to cut all of this off, I'm going to go in with my LA Pro Girl Concealer in the shade Medium Blonde. And I'm just going to pop that into the lace where it obviously is like a little ashier looking to me. But this is what the lace is looking like as soon as we cut everything off and have not applied any makeup. It's definitely giving. Now, I just wanted to show you guys up close. No makeup. This is what the lace looks like. I plucked the fuck out of this and I love it. It's so cute. Now I'm going to go in with my LA Pro Girl Concealer in the shade Medium Blonde. I try my best to focus on the camera so you guys can see, but I'm just telling you guys it's the shade Medium Blonde. And I'm just going to take this e.l.f. concealer brush that I got from my local drugstore. I think you can get that from CVS or Walgreens, whichever. And I'm just going to pop that color into on the lace, on the perimeter of my lace. And then I'm just showing you guys that this is a 13x4 lace front. It is a full frontal lace front, so you can do bust down middle parts. You can do side parts. If you wanted to do a deep side part, like on the side of your head, you could, because it's a full 13 by 4 ear to ear frontal. And I know the girlies be worrying about their parting space. And y'all, this side part was giving me life, so that's the style we're gonna actually end up doing. I think it looked the most natural. And I will be doing a glueless install. I'll only be using my Even Lace spray. And as you guys can see, I just wanted to show y'all how good the lace was already looking without it being laid down. And now I'm going to go in with my Even Lace spray now that I like the way everything's looking, and we're going to adhere everything down like so. I am going to use like maybe 1 or 2 layers using my Songbird blow dryer on cool air in between until it's tacky, and then I'm just going to gently press that in, and then once that is laid, I'm going to go in with my elastic band and tie everything down. Once the band was on for like 5-10 minutes, this is what we were looking like. The lace was definitely giving scalp. I loved it so much. This no baby hair look was just giving to me. It looked very sleek and natural. The girlies was eating it up on live. I was feeling it. Now I'm going to go in with this Knick Knack New York eyeshadow palette, and I'm just going to go in just to clean my part up a little bit. I did not bleach this unit, but because I felt like I didn't get as close to the knots as I wanted to, because I was just trying to refrain from staining the lace, there was a little bit of the 27 blonde showing through, and it was giving more of a yellow undertone, so I just cleaned that up with a little red eyeshadow powder. And then I'm going to go back in with my LA Pro Girl concealer in the medium beige and just pop that into my part just to make that all nice and defined, crispy, clean. I wanted to get that yellow tone out of there as much as possible, and right now it's giving what it was supposed to. Now I'm going to go back in with this Maybelline Forever, I think it's Forever Fit Me or Fit Me powder, foundation powder, and I'm just popping that in on my ear tabs and on the perimeter of the lace where I felt like it wasn't blending in. And next I'm going to go in with some cuticle scissors, cutting my baby hairs at an angle. I'm only going to do sideburns. I wanted a sleek, no baby hair look with just the sideburns. And then I just curl those up with my Kamozy straightener. And then to lay my baby hairs down, I'm going to use a edge control brush and some Eco Styling gel, just a little bit. This will give it a light hold where I know they'll be staying all day, but they're not going to be caked down, where if you were to use, Got To Be, it would be molded down to your head. This still gives you like that soft gel down look like your natural hair would if you were using Eco Style gel on your natural edges. But yeah, I'm going to repeat the process on the other side, curling upwards, and then I'm just going to lay those down with my edge control brush and a little bit of Eco Style gel. And then once that's done, I'm going to show you guys the finished look. And I did want to show you guys that this is the full length of the wig. I am 5 foot even, and the hair comes just a little bit past my waist up front, and then when I flap everything to the back, the hair is giving very much super full, super luster, super pin straight, y'all. And the hair came down a little bit past my butt, almost into my butt crack, so it was definitely true to length. But this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I really love this look right here. If you guys like this, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Again, this is MegaLook hair. Get into it, get into it. This is their 27 honey blonde wig, and we did a custom color reverse ombre and a silk press. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you guys think. I'll see you guys in my next video. Y'all be safe and stay blessed. Mwah.